Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Trupti. Today let's see how to get this easy breezy summery look. So if you are ready, then let's get started. For this look today I'll be using Makeup Revolution's Extra Spice palette, and I'll first take this shade Cookie Dough, which is a light brown shade, and I'll be applying it as a transition shade just above my crease. I'll be using a fluffy blending brush for this, and this blending brush is from WetnWild. I'll be using this slightly deeper brown shade called as Cheesecake for my crease color, and this is a bit more darker than the previous shade which we used. So crease color is always bit darker than the transition shade, and using the same brush I'm blending both the transition and the crease color together to give that seamless blending. Repeat the same step till you get the intensity which you desire. I'm going in with the transition shade again and blending all the shades out to ensure that there are no harsh edges and the blending seems clean and neat. Next I'll be cutting my crease with this Maybelline concealer and this concealer brush from WetnWild. For my lid shade, I'll be taking this gorgeous golden shimmery shade called as LA Sun from the same palette, and with the help of my finger, I'll be applying it on my entire eyelid. Shimmery shade applies well with finger rather than a brush, hence I'm using my finger to apply this shade. Using this liquid eyeliner from Faces, I'm pulling out a wing. This look is very easy to recreate, and if you do recreate this look, please let me know in the comments so I can check it out. So this is how it looks after I'm done with my eyeliner. Prepping my eyelashes for the mascara to come by curling them, and I'm using this Colossal Volume Express Mascara by Maybelline and applying it on my lower and upper lashes. I'll be using this kajal from Faces on my lower waterline, also I'll be tightlining with it. Taking the same brown shade with the small blending brush from WetnWild, I'll be diffusing my lower waterline to just soften the look a bit more. I'll be using this soft shimmery shade called as Everyday in my inner corner. Also I'll be using it to highlight my brow bone. False lashes are totally optional, but I'll be using this Pack 53 lashes, and for my blush I'll be using this lip and cheek tint from Lakme 9 to 5 Absolute collection. Once that's blended, I'll be using this gorgeous highlighter from WetnWild in the shade Precious Petals, and I'll be applying it on the highest points of my cheekbones, my forehead, nose, on my cupid's bow, and also my chin. For my lips today, I'll be using this gorgeous shade from Lakme India, and it's in the Absolute Matte Men lip color range, and its shade name is Coral Flip, and I thought it goes beautifully with this summer look. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and like, share this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.